Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the PL-300 exam preparation series where we are going to talk about the first learning path, prepare the data. The topic for this video is design a star schema that contains facts and dimensions, which is part of the section transform and load the data. So far in the previous videos, we have talked about data transformations in multiple videos, and in the last video, we talked about how the data is ultimately loaded in the Power BI environment. What we did not discuss was the part where we actually build a data model. Power BI requires from the developers that whatever data is loaded in the Power BI environment, it should follow a certain schema, and that schema is called as a star schema. And the tables that you see which are loaded in the Power BI environment are either called fact tables or just facts, or dimension tables or just dimensions. So here you see on the screen a diagram that actually represents a star schema. So in order to understand star schema, just keep this thing in mind that whatever queries or whatever tables are brought into the Power Query environment, we have to do some working offline. We do not need to do it within Power BI. We have to do some working offline. Either we do it on a piece of paper or within certain software, or maybe on a whiteboard or anything like that. We have to actually build a data model, and that data model should have a schema which is called the star schema as shown here. So here you can see that there are two types of boxes that you see. So on the corners you see boxes in the blue color which say dimension, and in the center you see a box which says fact. So I've already said that these are nothing but tables. So these tables are called as dimension tables or simply dimensions, and this table is called the fact table or simply fact. So whatever raw data we bring in Power Query Editor, we have to convert that data into dimensions and facts, and we have to follow certain conventions while designing dimensions and building facts. And once these are built, then these have to be loaded into the Power BI environment. And the next step that we are going to see in the second learning path would actually build relationships on these tables, which we call as the end process of the data modeling. But here we are going to explore what is a star schema, how we can actually make a star schema from our raw data. But before I actually go and do that, let me just give you the basic definition. We have already mentioned what are dimensions. So here it says dimensions or dimension tables or lookup table. So there is another name in the literature if you find that. So it actually refers to the dimension or dimension tables, which is the lookup table. So it says that dimensions or dimension tables or lookup tables are entities with their attributes, each record uniquely identifiable through primary key. So here it is saying that in the dimension table, the dimension table actually represents an entity, and this entity has certain attributes. So this is nothing but a representation of a table with columns. So the entity means that there is a table, and the attribute means that those tables have certain columns. And here the other part says that each record or each row is uniquely identifiable through primary key. So this is the basic definition of a dimension. So don't worry if you are not able to understand it right now, because we are going to do a comprehensive example in the next part of this video. So just keep in mind the two important things that I mentioned here. First one is the basic definition of a dimension, and the second one is that this dimension table should have records which are uniquely identifiable through the primary keys. Next is another definition, which is of the fact or the fact table. So it says that facts or fact tables are a combination of foreign keys plus quantitative value. So here it is saying that in the fact table, you have columns which either belong to a category which is called as foreign keys, and we are going to talk about these, and then there are certain columns which have quantitative value. So this is the definition of a fact table. So the important thing from this video is that you need to understand that you cannot simply just take your data from Power Query editor into the Power BI desktop environment without making a star schema. A lot of people think that you just need to connect to the data source, and then once you have connected to all your data sources, simply just take the data and load it into the Power BI environment. That is not how you do the working in Power BI. You have to do the data modeling, and for the data modeling you have to make dimensions and facts. So in the next part of this video, we are going to talk about what are dimension and facts, and we are going to understand those by following a real world example. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.